welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title, it is going to be a monthly reset. It's going to be for the month of November, of course. I've never done one of these before yet. I've always wanted to. I've always been inspired from other people's videos on YouTube about it, so I thought I'd give it a try just to help me set a little bit more of a routine in my life, because I do not have one right now. Usually I would start this off, well, my ideas were to start it off early morning, right when I wake up, to get everything together and set up, and I'm talking a little low because my boyfriend Hunter, he's doing overnight, so he's actually sleeping in the room next door. So I had to kind of start this later on in the afternoon, but hopefully for future months I'll be able to start early morning and then get the day going that way, just so it's more of a feel of an all-day kind of reset for the month. I'm going to be doing a few things. This is my first reset video, so of course there's going to be some trial and errors, but we'll see where it goes. First, we're going to talk about my to-do list, just to get everything in order today. I wrote it down on my phone just so I can have it and I wouldn't lose track of it. So first things first, I need to clean the kitchen. That back there, I need to clean the kitchen because it's a little bit messy and the dishes need to be done and just everything needs to be sprayed down, including the living area. Part of the living area is taking down all the Halloween decor, just so, you know, it's not Halloween anymore. So we're gonna take all that down today as well. I also have to do some laundry. Next is I have to go to the post office. I ordered a few dresses off of Pretty Little Thing, and I have to return them. I have a few appointments to go to this afternoon, so I'll be popping in and out of the house. I need to complete my whiteboard, erase the month of October, and refresh it and fill it in with November, and then any events that we have this month. And last thing that I have on my list, if I don't come up with anything else, is completing my bullet journal. This is my bullet journal. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be doing this, so that's also going to be a little bit time consuming and things like that, just to fill it out. But yeah, so those are the things I need to do today, so let's get going with our day.
Too special, drunk to the bone when I met you. I don't give a fuck who the next dude. I don't really see no issues with it. Just one of those nights when you want my back. I don't want no love, you can have that back. I just want that piece of mind, throw it back one time. Up on me like that, I be out my mind. Yeah. No love, no love, no love in the bar.
All the Halloween decor is taken down, all the bats, everything. Send that off to the post office just so that's done. which I'll do right before my next appointment. And since I have an hour until my next appointment, is I'm just gonna handle the whiteboard. I'm just gonna erase the month of October and then make it to November, which is pretty easy. And then from there I will start. And then all I have left is to do laundry, which I'll start soon because now my boyfriend Hunter is awake, which you can kind of hear him in the back, but he's awake now, so I can make as much noise as I want, which is good because I was trying to be real quiet earlier, which I don't know if I was good at, but we're gonna do that. And yeah. Hi guys, so it is much later in the night, much darker. I want to go over my to-do list. Clean the kitchen. I took down the Halloween decor, did my whiteboard, I did laundry, I went to the post office, I went to my appointments, and I did my bullet journal, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Which, by the way, took forever. Got a few ideas off of Pinterest. I got a few ideas off of Pinterest, which really gave me my inspo to use. Yeah, so this is the cover for the month of November. I got this beautiful idea off of Pinterest, did the sketches, and then did my own version, a little bit of it. But this is for the month of November. And then this is the layout I have right now, which I'll talk to you guys about. Let's talk about these. So on the left side of the bullet journal, I decided to do a habit tracker just so I can keep track of all the things that I kind of want to stay on track with, because I am not a routine person. Routine does not exist in my life, which honestly I hate about myself. So I'm going to try my best to, you know, stay on track with the things I really want to get done, I really want to do for myself. So I'll let you guys know the list of things I have right now. So for the habit tracker, I have hydration, meaning just drinking more water. Skincare routine. I have really been bad about this. I have so many skincare products from my previous job. I used to work at a spa, at a country club, and I have not used any. So I would like to just get a skincare routine down just to really help out my skin. I just really need to exfoliate my skin, apply serums, things of that sort. So I need to stay on track of that, which I've been telling myself for months, but I haven't done. Next one is reading. I started getting into reading last month, well, the last couple weeks, honestly, just because of TikTok and everything like that. There's a, what is it called? It's called Book Talk, something like that. So I read a couple books last month, and that just reminded me how much I really like reading and the stories and things like that. So I'm actually gonna show you guys what I've read and what I plan on reading for the following month. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. We'll talk a little bit more in depth about the books. Next habit I would like to track is waking up early and going to sleep early. Last couple weeks I have gone to bed like around midnight to 3 in the morning, which is terrible. It is terrible and I hate it. And honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now, it is 12:55 p.m. That is how late it is right now, and that's just every night. It has to do with me and my boyfriend's schedule. It doesn't match, so we want to spend time at night, or I get lost on YouTube watching videos, or TikTok watching videos, or watching Grey's Anatomy because I'm rewatching that. So it's just like I can go on and on and on, and I don't know when to stop. I know, I look at the time and I know when I need to stop, but I can't. So we gotta do better on that. So today is not a good day, but we'll see. Next thing is exercise. So this is another thing I've been telling myself for the past couple months that I need to get doing, and I haven't. Well, I try and then I either get, my schedule's either too crazy or I get injured or whatever the case might be. I just need to be more consistent with exercising, even if it's going to the gym to walk on a treadmill for 30 minutes. I need to do that. No spending day. I don't shop as much anymore, but I do spend money on food outside of the house when I could cook here at home. It's just I either don't have time, or I don't make time, or I'm too lazy. I just need to kind of keep track of the days that I do spend money, just so I can limit that down like really small, so I can start saving more money for the future. No soda. So that's another thing I want to track. Last year, or this past year for the new year, I gave myself a, no, it wasn't this past year, year 2020. I gave myself a New Year's resolution to drink no soda, because I'm a soda lover, Coke in particular. And I gave myself a resolution, and I kept with it for 3-4 months, no soda. And then the pandemic hit, and I was like, soda it is. I'm not gonna be depressed in this house without soda. So now I'm back drinking soda. So I would like to limit the amount of times I drink soda, especially at work when I need a boost of energy and don't have time to eat. Since I am a hairstylist, we never have time to eat on busy days. I just kind of need to replace that with something else. No energy drinks either, I don't do that, but I just need something that's not soda. So my boyfriend, he bought me vitamins, the one-a-day ones, the gummy ones, and I don't take them. I can't remember to take them at all, no matter what I do. So I kind of need to be on track with that. I try sometimes in the morning, that doesn't work. At night, I just forget. So I really need to find a little bit of a rhythm with that and then stick with it. The last two are Instagram and TikTok, just to keep track of the days that I post. So I would like to be more active on Instagram and TikTok when it comes to posting and stories and things like that, rather than just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. So especially now that I'm really gonna try and do YouTube a lot more, I just need to keep track and be more consistent with Instagram and TikTok. So those are my habits that I would like to track for the month and see how they go. And then I have a little area in my bullet journal that say happy things and sad things, so I can kind of keep track throughout the month, like the things that really did it for me and the things that didn't. And then I have my goals. I try not to give myself too many goals to kind of reach, just because then I'll be very disappointed with myself when I don't reach them. But I'm gonna try and see how this month goes. It's the month of November. It's my favorite month out of the year, my birthday month. All the good things start happening this month. This is the season of the holidays. Like, it's the start of something, of like good things to happen. First goal is to exercise at least 3 times a week. Like I said earlier, just at, you know, treadmill for 30 minutes. Like, I need something. I need to go to the gym and do that, or do at-home workout videos from Chloe Ting, or just anybody. Just do that. I'm gonna drink more water, so that goes a little bit into my hydration habit tracker. Just need to drink more water, less soda. Another thing is be more active on Instagram and TikTok. So it kind of relates with my habit tracker, but a little bit more detailed. And then read at least 2+ books for the month of November. The month of October, I read 2 books that are very popular. This lighting sucks. Sorry for the lighting, guys, by the way. I read 2 books this month, which are were very popular on TikTok and everywhere you go. It's by the same author, and I'm sure you guys, once you see the cover, you'll know what it is. But these are the 2 books that I read this month. I read It Ends With Us, and then the sequel book, It Starts With Us. So those are the 2 books I read. People hate it. Well, some people hate it. I didn't hate it. I'm a very sappy girl. I like the romantical stuff and also the mystery kind of books and thriller. But I thought these were cute. This one had, like, of course, a big message in it, more just a lot of ups and downs in it. And then the second one, really liked it. Not as much as the first one, but I did like it because it was a little bit on the happier side of things. Just, of course, she wasn't ever supposed to come out with the second book or a sequel to the first one, so I did feel like it was a little bit rushed and not, I don't know what it was, but I did like the happier side to things, but I do like the first one. So those are the 2 books I read this month. I really enjoyed it. I flew through them. Both of them I read within 2 days, I believe, just on and off. So yeah, for the following month, so my goal is to read 1 fiction book and then 1 book that is inspirational, or what's the word I'm trying to look for? I guess inspirational, but like something that'll help me in real life, guide me to do the right choices, or to really think about the choices I'm making. And you guys see like what I mean. So the first one I'm gonna read, I've heard a few people like rate this and give it a good rating, but I'm gonna read it for myself. So the first one is this one. It's called Finley Donovan is Killing It. I'm gonna read this one and see how it is. I forget who I saw rated this and said it was pretty good, so I'm gonna try this one. And then the second book that I've had for like, I don't even know how long, like months and months and months, is the Badass Habits one, which kind of ties in with my bullet journal, honestly, by Jen Sincero. This is kind of what I mean about like inspirational, just something to help guide me in life and things like that. I just want at least one book like this, sort of in the same kind of category, to read each month, just so I'm not just reading, you know, fake stories. I kind of want something to help me in real life. I'll let you guys know how it is, and I think that is it for today's video. Sorry if it might have been a little bit all over the place and a little bit with the lighting and things like that, but hopefully next month I have no issues with filming early morning and getting everything done throughout the day. I hope you guys have a great November. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more of this kind of content, lifestyle content, hair, a little bit of everything, honestly. Just subscribe and then follow me on socials so you guys can see a little bit of my everyday life. I hope you guys have a great day, great morning, night, whatever it is. Have a great one.